Catch and release. 48-inch sturgeon. Fat keeper. I'm gonna let her go right now. Oh yeah, it's thick. Should tag it out. Hook right in the lip. Some row. Got him. Catch and release. Let's see here. Let's see if we can't get a video of him. Like I said, I should tag him, but we let him go to let him grow. This is a healthy fish right here. Healthy fish. It's gonna be hard to do one-handed. Let me see. Hold on a second. Let me flip her over. I wish I can get a good picture with her, huh? Let me see here. Let's see here real quick until I get a better picture before I let it go. Oh yeah. Big old girl right here. Alright, we're gonna let her go. We're gonna bear hug her. Just like we should. Alright. Let's see here. You see this? Don't know if you can see that. Big old girl. Alright. Let me flip her around. Yeah, you see me? Big old girl. Alright.